This channel does not promote any violence, harmful or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
It may be said that I don't have any evidence before me. The court should infer. When should the court infer? Kindly take 88.5. The presumption of fact that with regard to demand and acceptance or obtainment of an illegal gratification may be made by a court of law by way of an inference only when the foundational facts have been proved by relevant oral and documentary evidence and not in absence thereof. On the basis of material on record, the court has the discretion to raise a presumption of fact while considering whether the fact of demand has been proved by the prosecution or not. Of course, a presumption of fact is subject to rebuttal by the accused. In the absence of rebuttal, presumption stands. Therefore, my lord, the court needs some foundational facts also. Just pointing fingers is not foundational facts. Just assumption that everything was bad, therefore this is also bad. These are not foundational facts. And what is the corruption alleged or found finally? Departure from the rules. Therefore, the first question which would arise for your lordship's determination is, going by the findings of the court, that there has been a departure from the rules. Let us take it to be a deliberate departure. Let us for the time being assuming it to be a deliberate departure. Though I don't accept it, I will prove that there was no departure. Presume for argument's sake that there is a deliberate departure. Where is the allegation of exchange of money? Where are those foundational facts? Therefore, my one-line answer is, or one-line submission is, a departure from a recruitment rule, proved or otherwise, cannot tantamount to corruption.
Yes.
There are two 2025 judgments on vague allegations. These are just vague allegations, assumption. That was bad, those were bad, so this is also bad. But everybody is swayed by this expression corruption.
Are you required to place those? Because you have placed Nidas.
Just my lord, on the vague allegation, because my case is that your lordships have seen the pleadings. My lords have also gone through the judgment on the corruption aspect.
You can give the citations.
Yes, yes. My lord, the first one is 2025 SCC online SC 17 paragraph is 13
And the other one?
The other one is 2025 SCC online SC 441 para 22.
Yes.
Kindly see, my lord, here the Supreme Court says in the first one, that is page 17, para 13, just one sentence. Please take the second sentence at para 13. That apart, besides the vague allegations, rest of them, even if they are taken as true, would not disclose commission of any offense or make out a case against the appellant. But these are, my lord, against, my lord, identified officers, pointing allegations against named persons, FIR registered. Then also Supreme Court says vague allegations do not constitute corruption. Please take the last one.
Para 22.
Paragraph 22. Where the allegation over here is misuse of authority. The erstwhile president of the board has been, remarks have been passed against him. Kindly similar there, paragraph 22. The only charge is with respect to misuse of authority, which does not come under the provisions of the Prevention of Corruption Act, and none of the ingredients regarding demand or obtaining or acceptance of bribe or any illegal gratification has come out. The accusation was only that the policy of the state required a tender process, etc. Millard, kindly take the next page. The investigation report, as we observed, speaks only of an allegation of misuse of authority without any allegation of demand and acceptance of bribe. As against the appellant, the presumption of section 20 is false. The misuse of authority is again not a corruption. There is no allegations of demand and acceptance.
Yes, Mr.
Millard, would your lordship permit me to come back after the vacation? Before the vacation is very difficult. It's really very difficult. I know, Millard, it's a
Mr. Dotto, we have allowed you to place all the judgment. We do not want to shut it off, but how more time will you be taking?
But I'll take at least 2 halves. 2 second halves.
You said 1/2 is enough.
No, it's not enough. The more I read, I find, well, I've not even canvassed 2 of my 10 points.
You will get a chance to reply, no?
No, but unless, Millard, I place it, Millard, they don't get a chance to rebut.
It becomes an impossibility to finish it off.
Millard, the problem is, Millard, the way this matter has been dealt. I'm so sorry to say, Millard, after conclusion of hearing of the petitioners, then, Millard, I begged and got an opportunity to file an opposition. And I take responsibility of saying, Millard, kindly do not take me amiss. It may not sound proper, fair. But the petitioners did not utter a single sentence in which are reflected in the judgment.
You are for the petitioners.
No.
I am for an additional party, which is already done. I am for that party.
Who are the petitioners? So, Mr. Mojumdar, how much time will you take? Because we are not being to fathom it out, because the arguments which have been advanced, these you must have to deal with it. No?
We will deal.
How?
There are,
Mr. Dotto, please.
with the candidates, there was a specific direction by the Honorable Supreme Court also, since we are not heard.
Yes, we have seen that. We are not saying we will not hear him. This order is with us. You have placed it before us.
But kindly keep it after the vacation. Give me 2 days more, I'll finish.
Yeah, Mr. Dotto, curtail it to a single day. Mr. Don't take it. We just don't feel like stopping the.
No, I quite appreciate, but I appreciate the burden of the court also.
Please,
Yes.
I would say you agree to dates. You give us a fixture. My brother is here. We will fix it up and finish it up. Because I don't know whether how.
Honored councils representing the added parties won't be making their submission except 1 or 2. That's what.
No. First of all, after he finishes, we want to hear the writ petitioners.
I was suggesting this, but since all of them would be selling on the same board, worship here whosoever supports the appeal, so that I can give a comprehensive reply.
And Mr. Bhattacharya, I am led by Mr. Bhattacharya. Mr. Bhattacharya will only take 1 hour.
You are appearing for whom? The added person.
Supporting the writ petitioner, which is already allowed as a form of can to added respondent. Added
The
respondent.
added response.
Yes, my lord.
No, not at all. Not added.
My lord, in can to, in the first order, I have added. Kindly read it. And they never
Why you
oppose
are
in the way of affidavit. That was the direction on the first order.
We know, we have been told, Supreme Court has said, we will listen to you, sir.
They are saying that we stand on the footing of the writ petition.
The primary argument would be by Mr. Mojumdar.
And I will,
By Mr. Mojumdar.
and which,
Just a
yes,
moment. And if any additional point to that effect is argued, we will allow you to reply to this.
Arey,
Tell us that. What you have to tell us that.
what? They decided from the this side.
I don't know, we have not checked up the order sheet whether you have been added.
Yes, yes, yes. Malad, kindly say can too, Malad. In the mat. Yes.
No, no, can to was allowed by which order? What is the date of the order?
iPad. The first order. iPad. And the other can also, I am appearing on behalf of the. In MAT 873, can
We
2,
don't know, you are appearing for the applicants, which can?
can 2, can 7, can 22, can
No,
40.
any one of the cans have been allowed.
Yes, yes, my lord. In the first order, can 2 is
Can
allowed.
do in connection with which?
MAT 873 of 2023. That means the board MAT.
Board's appeal.
Yes, my
So
lord.
in the board's appeal, you have been
Yes,
added
yes,
as a
yes,
respondent.
yes.
So very good, we will hear you.
Yes, yes, my lord. I am advising.
Hear you.
Yes.
Then after Mr. Dotto
I will
concludes,
satisfy that.
we will, just a moment. Wait, sir. After he concludes, we will hear you and he will give a composite reply to this. Mr. Modi.
Yes, ma'am.
My lord, after Mr. Dotto, my lord, after Mr. Dotto, Mr. Bandopadhyay would like to make his submissions. It was submitted by him on the last occasion.
Yes. Let him finish, madam.
আমরা করতে পারি কন্টিনিউটি চাই তো আমরা
Keeping it on 12th, let's finish it off
Yes.
on that.
Kindly give me 12th and 13th subject
No,
to
no,
your
not
lordship's
that. 12th, we request you, please curtail it. You tell us the paragraphs, we will go through the judgments. Relevant portions, you come back and make an endeavor to finish it off. And we save 12th, and you be ready for your, you people be ready on 12th. We can take it up on as a continuing pattern on 13th and 16th, and you finish it off. Mr. Bolinder, you have not yet started. You start.
I am appearing for one of the employees who have lost their employment. He might not wants the continuity and day after tomorrow, day after. I can continue the argument tomorrow.
For whom, Mr. Mitro, you are
I can. If whether one's continuity of the arguments before vacation also,
না না জজ সাহেবরা চাইছেন না এখন চাইছেন
I mean, cancel. Who are not parties but employment cancel. They are about 700 in numbers where I am concerned. Is the case? If I that one, I can continue tomorrow.
Mr. Mitra, unless he finishes, how
No,
can we allow?
and that's not giving a choice to your lordship.
Now again, then he
So-
will
so we'll-
complete it half and again
Now
come
we
back
shall
and
not, there will be no contradiction.
ছুটি পরে করছে।
Sir,
কি আগের অর্ডারটা কি দিয়েছিল?
বারোটা দুটো নাকি?
আমাদের order ছিল, আমি সব লিখেছি। Mr. Dotto, please finish it off on.
তবে হলো 12 মিনিট পরে
ফার্স্ট হাফ নিয়ে নেবো,
অর্ডারটা
পরের দিন
সবসময়
ফার্স্ট হাফ নিয়ে নেবো, ফার্স্ট হাফ নিয়ে নেবো।
Sir, you find it out now. You assist us. You point out the dates of the order. Orders, no, compilation of orders we also have. But the thing is, which order you are referring to? Please check it up. Or Mr. Dotto, the next senior advocate, appearing for the evidence. Is the matter for further consideration? কি বলবো, কতবারই বলবো। For further consideration on কত বলেছি? On 12 June as fixed at এই যে জাজমেন্ট যে করেছে না অর্ডার শিট আর এইগুলো এই কারা কি বলছে তুমি এটা নোট করেছো? অ্যাপ্লিকেশন গুলোর কি আলাদা বান্ডিল আছে? তাহলে ওই অ্যাপ্লিকেশন গুলোকে একটা আলাদা বান্ডিল করে চেম্বারে রাখো, তাহলে দেখে নিতে হবে আমাদের।
বলছে অফিসারকে বললো মনে হলো আন্দামান যাবে।